Video here, we show a little variety as far as what it can do. But so what we have here is our pin markers. We have everything from portable units, which are the Patmark units that you see right here. And then we have electric units on this side that will be tethered to a control box. Things to keep in mind, all three of our Patmark units have the same quality of mark. It's all dot peen style marking. Just the difference is your marking window. So the question you always have to ask yourself is how much information you're marking and how big does it need to be. Barring that, all the equipment has the same capability.
On your portable one, battery-wise, how many before you have to charge? Like, depends on.
So it's not a matter of how many marks, it's time-wise. So you're looking at 4 to 5 hours of continuous marking time. And then 90 minutes to fully charge after that.
Okay, that's not bad. So you can have extra batteries ready to go.
100%. Yeah. And in the case, there is an option on all of our Patmark units here, AC adapters. So plug it in, you still back up and running.
Now, question, I know you guys got base units, but if you ever want to convert this into a base unit, can you do that too?
You can, in a sense. We do have tool posts that you could attach it to. We have a universal style mount, and then it's locked on top. But what's awesome about it is it has a quick release feature, so you can very easily pop it in and out of a tool post style.
Oh, that's even better for manufacturers, yeah.
Yes, and this doubles also as a V guide. So gives you a nice clean mark down the linear side of piping, tubing, solid bar stock, whatever you're looking to do.
Look how simple it is to do. He's lining it up there. Look at that. That's a hand unit. You're looking at it right now. With the barcode and everything. Look at that.
Oh, he's doing a QR code. That's cool.
Look at that. Details.
That's a cool idea.
That is incredible. Matter of seconds.